this paint job, before everybody busts on me, is not designed, it's not going to be a perfect show quality finished paint job. What we're going for, we don't have the budget on this particular job to do this awesome, perfectly glossy, smooth paint job with all the body work fixed and repaired and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to make it look cool, and we're going to disguise the low budget with a bit of art. And that art is going to be the patina look. And some of the patina is going to be real from the various layers of paint that's on this tank and the various dents and scratches and scuffs and things that it had on it. The paint that was already peeling and all that. And some of the patina we're going to add to give it a little bit, give it back a little symmetry and a little bit of a sleeker, smoother line. So once again, don't harp on me about, oh, you should be using this sealant and this paint and this process and all that kind of stuff, because that's not what we're going for here. We don't have the budget for that. We certainly have the capability to do that, but you know, that's a few $1,000s worth of work, and we're going for something a whole lot more economical. We're doing this bike for a friend of ours, and we're just going to give him back something that looks really cool. That's the beauty of doing like this type of patina paint job, is you can tell like these nozzles, they're not super good. Like Duplicolor is the best, I think, for doing this kind of project. Like there are some other brands out there, absolutely stay away from. I hate Rust-Oleum, they're the worst. Some other brands that I don't have good luck with. Duplicolor seems to be the best. They have really good nozzles that are easy to use, but any spray paint can is going to give you some splatter. You can kind of see the splatter. If you're trying to lay out a perfect paint job with this, you'd have a hard time because of all the splatter and things like that. But since we're adding color and sanding it back and adding more color and sanding it back, doing all that kind of stuff, none of that's going to matter in the end.
bike, lived outside, lived a hard life in this Florida weather. So what we're doing here is we're getting all the mold cleaned off of the wires and the looms, and just getting the chrome cleaned up, getting it all shiny, touching up some rusty bare spots.
Lay down a light tack coat first. Don't try to change the color all in one.
Why?
Because then you're basically laying down the light sticky coat to kind of initially kind of adhere to your primer and your sanding, and then give something for a thicker coat of the paint to kind of stick to. It'll help reduce runs and sags, which are where you get like liquid kind of dripping on your tank.